Hey everyone, welcome back to Nile's tutorial with your trainer Shreya. As in previous video, we learned some phrasal verbs with some fixed preposition. So I'm back with some more phrasal verbs for you. So without wasting any time, let's see that. The first is blow out. Blow out का मतलब होता है हवा से बुझना या फूंक मारकर कोई चीज बुझाना. इसको हम साफ करना भी बोल सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द विंड ब्लू द कैंडल आउट. अब हम पास्ट की बात कर रहे हैं तो वी हैव यूज्ड द सेकंड फॉर्म दैट इज ब्लू. अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज वी डोंट नीड अ कैंडल, यू कैन ब्लो इट आउट. लेट्स सी वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. वी से ब्लो आउट योर नोज मीन्स अपनी नाक साफ कर लो. The next is abstain from. Abstain from means परहेज करना. Abstain from plus doing something. For example, I abstain from smoking and gambling. Another is I abstain from meat and eating spicy food. The another is heir to. इसे हम hire नहीं बोलते. The pronunciation is heir. Heir to. It means उत्तराधिकारी होना. For example, she is the sole heir to a large property. Another example is who is the true heir to the throne. The next comes agree with. Now agree with means सहमत होना, but it is used for a person. ये सिर्फ person के लिए use किया जाएगा. For example, do you agree with me in this matter? The another example is I agree with you but to some extent. The next is agree to. Agree to का मतलब भी सहमत होना होता है, but agree to को हम यूज करते हैं किसी प्रपोजल के लिए. जब हम agree with की बात कर रहे हैं, so we are using it for person, and agree to हम यूज करेंगे प्रपोजल के लिए. For example, I agree to your proposal. मैं तुम्हारे प्रपोजल से सहमत हूँ. Or another is finally she agreed to my proposal. The next is angry with. Angry with का मतलब होता है गुस्सा होना. Again, it is used with a person. For example, the teacher is angry with you. Teacher तुमसे गुस्सा है. Why are you so angry with me? What wrong have I done to you? मुझसे इतना ज्यादा गुस्सा क्यों हूँ? So angry with हम यूज करते हैं किसी person के लिए. But जब हम बात करते हैं angry at, तो ये हम यूज करते हैं किसी चीज या किसी बात पर गुस्सा होना. For example, I am angry at his bad conduct. Or my teacher is angry at my way of questioning. The next is trust in. Trust in हम यूज करते हैं किसी person के लिए. और अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं trust to, तो ये हम यूज करते हैं चीजों के लिए. दोनों का मतलब होता है विश्वास करना. But the difference is only this: trust in we will use for person, and trust to we will use for things. For example, I don't trust in him because he is a big liar. अब यहाँ हम किसी person की बात कर रहे हैं, so we are using trust in. Another is I don't trust to your words. यहाँ हम किसी चीज की बात कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम बोल रहे हैं trust to. The next is born of. Born of means से जन्म लेना. It is used for parents. For example, he was born of poor parents. The next is Swami was born of an orthodox mother. जब हम बात करते हैं born in, it means में जन्म लेना. यहाँ हम बात करते हैं family की. For example, I am born in a rich family. Or she was born in a poor family. The next is born in or born at. It means में जन्म लेना. यहाँ हम बात कर रहे हैं किसी place की. For example, her baby was born at home. तो यहाँ हम किसी place की बात कर रहे हैं, so that's why we are using born at. I was born in Chandigarh. And the last is born to. It means जन्म देना. For example, a sweet boy was born to her after 20 years of long time. Another is a sweet girl was born to her after a long period of time. So these were some of the phrasal verbs with some fixed prepositions. Try to use this at the correct place and try to frame few more examples. Till then, I will be back with some more prepositional phrases for you. Till then, stay tuned.